Good morning, traders. On the 17th of June, we have weekend, Friday, and I'm seeing a potential short trade here. Let's see how this bar is forming, because I can see a second entry short here, right off the EMA. It's moving now strongly down. I hope not too far, because if it's moving too far, I cannot take this trade in terms of risk, and also the move could be over here already, but it's moving pretty far, so I will try to get in on a sell limit order, because I think the second entry short is a nice setup here. We had the shorter term downtrend. This is the first break. You can clearly see these two legs back to the EMA. And we're expecting a retest of the lows. And there's quite some distance to the lows. So I'm hoping now to get into the trade on a limit order. Let's see. It's bouncing a bit higher. This is exactly what I described before. When you are entering that far away from the EMA, there's a risk that the move is over already and it's bouncing back and you just got into the order, and you're not only losing a trade, but you're also losing big time, because this bar here that formed has 20 takes. So entry here at the limit order, and we got in, putting the runner at the last lows, and the stop loss as always 1 tick above the signal bar. Never move your stops, especially not in this kind of market, because it's moving so fast, and in a second to another really you can be in huge losses. Marking the trade here, and see where I think, we got the scalp already. The stop loss for my runner will be moved. Now it's moved on break even +1. And hopefully we can see some further movement down. I don't like the last bar so much. It's more like a doji bar, and you can see the stem on the top and the lower part and a small body, and that it describes that the market has no idea where to go. I mean, for us it was good now because we got into the trade and we got the scalp already, but a very big part of our strategy is momentum trade of key entry points, EMAs. So these are the lows where I see prices will go and retest the lows. So I'm putting my runner there, because many times I saw in previous trades that I did that prices were testing these lows and then bouncing back. So some traders, they keep the runner alive for a long time, but me personally, I drive the best when I'm putting my runner targets always at the lows when I'm trading in trends, for example. But we're ticking lower now. This bar closed very bearish, perfectly bearish. This is what I want to see. From the context you can see prices were trending up but lost steam and went into a range, and from there sharp move down. So sharp, so strong, we were trending down that prices didn't even come back to the EMA. And when they came back to the EMA, I took the chance to take the second entry short here with this 2 legs back, as mentioned before. I adjusted my stop loss for the runner a bit because we're not taking off here. I would like to see it like explosive, trending lower and going to our target, but we also pre-market still, don't forget this. Okay, we got stopped out, so yeah, hope you liked it on this second entry short.